ene me ra ho pa me ra ho kraguma me ra ho bebre asanda ye me politics ni kra eni. And if you are a young person, selfless, and you love your country, that's all we're more, bro. Don't venture into politics. Because it's a game. Because you know you vote here back home. But it took someone's efforts. It took someone to put his or her life online to convince someone to bring that one vote out. To stand and protect that one vote now, you can't so. To march to the coalition center, to see to wait that it is counted for power to come to a party, for the party to rule the country. Presidents, we're in the ministers, we're in the secretariatship, we're in the CEOs, and none is so behind an agency or core grassroots. Grassroots life don't matter when the party is in power. And I don't think I'll do politics again. I can't stand it. Because there humanism, humanity, conflict resolution. Charlie, here what about the politics in here at the grassroots. Like, tell me, let this make sense to me. Someone should suffer. Someone should put his or her life online for the party to come to power. Only certificate. Now you see your war. A Jumebia, ya de son as to say oba. Yenim no crap person to create you. Yenim sa dear way. I was say, ya de bois oba and ma yes a da. Also of late there has been a lot of bitterness in me. Not for me, maybe I think I'm okay. But for the grassroots. Like for National Women's Swinger, there were 3 women organized, but the only one we can run to. I first deputy my and now I know the GN complaints. No crime at Brahman. Charlie, no crazy politics will cry. So me, if you were a youth, you are vibrant, you just travel abroad, you look at your community, when they need help, you just come with an NGO, come and help them to make something better for them. But because of your politics, I bet what you forget it. Their president wants the best, but the people in charge. When I'm saying, when you're baby, should you be the one to drive so that you come and park your car, so that the grassroots will come in? The day a grassroots for any better. The future of Ghana is at stake. Obimbre. Now, anybody deserve idea. Who's me what to meet, on authority, meme, and then I'll report Charlie. It's sad, but as time goes on, the whole issue, and I'll come to TikTok and tell the world the whole issue and mention the ministry and the secretariatship that is in charge. Posterity will judge. And don't think that sometimes party got no position and other politicians I am one. Posterity is judging them. We leave everything to posterity. You know I'm TikTok for. Say me who gunsu gun kra na say me dana man sorry na anase mo te se bibia ye. Me a TikTok gender minister say me ti he ya. Nkrofo bi ana Andra me ye me video. Ewo achima be ja constituency na Andra me ye me video. Ana o ma screen record abe fifa me videos ni bi akoto your platform so say me disrespect nodness intino. Intino omo be ye me de omo be ye me. Proud to it so on my disrespect MC some de court and the memfa fan court say MC in question has disrespected Nana Jantwa and the conversation is there. It is a disrespect yeah can now so and a misia. That disrespect how they disrespected Nana Jantwa when on make a chain say Umbra Mbeye a match barry out school no and a match so na me dibia man. And me gun so gun cry for be can bash I watch mama be a North constituency. Oba also here Lambert Malam Camel Charles Assassin Ena Bossu I watch mama be North constituency. Timidi me hu jawom. Say I can no cry say young school dying. Na ma kan me no cry sem aka me feel about my life much me record akoto. Tell you no platform no so no mu didi matem. Eno de anya masem me ko didi o matem bi fi say me ya tete me wanted to nya me ahia me didi o matem. Me say no ya tena sidin as akan as achema akan ni ama not na university be MC ya enti na ye ma no school ase match till date omunko school so omo say makase tia notness omo generalizing statements ni nyina ti me gun su gun class ankrofo we mu no omo tai omo ya no me family video akoto platform ne so aha nti mu sole na mewu ana bibia me anase me mori ati anase bibia twame ana me free biasa anase me sori da kokra na se ma anye video mu se ebia ya ba cheme ti mun try some more reach out to me when nyame a ka fofo na mabo mu din no na wa twama wa be ja not constituency no me da mase court na so me twen na ye nyina ye beko
usoye mo wakwa ba bi mo enfambra Ghana nsem TV eso di am jeso promise yenua TikTok gender minister NDC ni a 2024 general elections no obo aduma pa de ma the NDC National Democratic Congress me na wo ka say di ochiom say wonu ne ho pa so ye campaign de ma NDC san say ohwe eya wo mde ne fam e wo ne constituency a esewoni ense wo ka kire na me no me share video no na eye me so bi ko hwe se bi producer san o ya kan ni especially asantini na udi NDC achi a wan kasa no na wa adwen no kakra no akaka you have a problem because see compare this girl to Muni. This girl is well educated than Muni, but because Muni no tenidi no Muni no into no position be our NDC party no. Because NDC is the most tribalistic party, our own Jindi. What I say, Jindi because NDC party is frowny and you are not even ready to listen to anything that we work. And that is what is happening to this girl. Because I'm now checking money now, checking TikTok gender minister. You would see say education level ni different. TikTok gender minister no we school teacher ni. Our children, money no so no go school or Amstec. So comparing these two people, wasan kawan puna kema bibi onya. What I say? We show money dear mo kasa dear mo see express your mo. Say TikTok gender minister no kasa. Even though so NDC no kasa with unity, but money girl no always want to divide and rule. One tactics no. Let's divide and rule. And today, he's saying, after they were say, we don't know. We don't know. Because in 24 say two for no NTR. We then, we can't see it. Into the we know. We know, papa. And this is just the beginning because see, NDC as a political party, they don't value people. They don't value your hard work. Or say they are even threatening her life to even buy her. Kase paya me tese o ti asa Nigeria kase paya che twi kase mchese so mu yini free o mu kuno o se ye tese wo a ye mbusa MCE a o woni constituency then bone na waye just because this MC na can be na a blast MC no say then and na aka be nti no ono no enwano mo a mu free other side na hwehwe no aye ni bibi we home match na mo we landing derby and say Merseyside derby Everton Merseyside blue na Liverpool Merseyside red na ebo okay then can find ho but we yenweba and we say can be man. This is something that was say so we akani especially asantini achimni infantini na udi that party if in NDC now you're young person who say they have nothing better for you. They will use you and dump you. And that is what the air girl way. They have used her and dumped her. And today they are even trying to unalive her. They are threatening her life. Yeah, me say ye name the air can say we can't say and you say be like Yahuna Tay and Asi Bibio. But we are telling that NDC is not a good political party. As a young person, I will start politics no over joining. You know, be wasting the time I campaign. And what them did a mood threatening and everything. And this is how you guys choose to pay her. And to see her, she has regretted everything that she did for you people. She has regretted. How do you expect this someone I don't know get away, you know, to feel like flowing you people again? I thought you said there is difference between the NPP and the NDC. And this is it. They value only people that they feel like they are close to them. No mama can. They leave them and treat them like garbage. And that's what they are doing to this girl. By encourage sister, encourage you can still come and join us. The New Patriotic Party. Yeah, fair aja wo ho, ye ji ahoho. Nti bra na be kan yam, wo san kra de. Kra san ye nwia. San se wo san wasante region. Ye strong go. Nti bra na be kan yam. Na oba be treat you as a human being now we no. In treat you said it's we are aboa. Be treat you said o ye den. We nipa. Nti no bra. Na bra be kan yam the New Patriotic Party. Na bibia be kama na ye kama so e wo ho. Ha ye Ghana nsem TV. Edin am giso no. E promise the blogger. That's it.